So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-edit ng Christmas AI photoshoot for couple. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So yun guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang Google Gemini sa Google browser or sa any browser. So open lang natin guys. So, dito sa search bar, search nyo lang is Google Gemini. And then, open nyo lang to guys, yung website ng Google Gemini. So, ayan guys, pag open ng Google Gemini, ang first step is kailangan meron tayong Google Prompts or Gemini Prompts. So, meron ako guys nakasave dito sa aking notes ng prompts. So, ito guys is ilalagay ko na lang sa description box para makopy ninyo yung gagamitin ko. So, ika-copy lang to guys. Copy. And then, paste natin dito sa ating Google Gemini. So, paste nyo lang. And then, ang second step guys is mag-upload lang tayo ng photo na gagamitin natin. So, dapat guys, ang i-upload nyong photo is picture ng couple or picture ninyong dalawa. So, pili lang ako guys sa aking gallery. So, tap nyo lang guys sa inyong gallery yung photo na gagamitin ninyo. So, intayin yung mag-load or mag-upload dito. And then, after yan guys, mailagay yung photo and then yung prompt na kinapin ninyo, tap nyo na yung send button. And wait nyo lang guys hanggang sa mag-generate yung image. So, ayan guys, nakapag-generate na tayo ng image and ganito yung lumabas. So, yung prompt ito guys is ilalagay ko na lang sa description box and dun nyo na lang i-copy and paste nyo na lang sa inyong Google Gemini. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-edit ng Christmas AI photoshoot for couple. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!